players out there, including myself. I'm wearing some my Fortnite outfit here. My Fortnite outfit, if you want to hear me say Fortnite. My Fortnite outfit. Let's just say Fortnite is now available on Android. As you know, I have played a little bit, but I have not gotten into it much. So I'm just saying. I'm still updating that thing on my Xbox. Anyway, Fortnite is a game where it's basically a shooting game. It's just like Call of Duty, but it's more on a level where you create your own character and you actually play the game, whether if it's on Xbox or your mobile device, if it's on iOS or Android. So that's what it is. It's like League of Legends, but it's mainly, similar to League of Legends if you are that in-depth of a Fortnite. Fortnite. So yes, Fortnite is now available on Android. It released as you know, as the same one when the Samsung S9 had released as well. So apparently, if you get the Samsung S9 phone, you can actually get customize your phone to be the same color of the Fortnite brand. So yes, just like me, I'm customizing myself right here, my Fortnite brand. Yeah, work it. Fortnite. Yeah. Okay? So yes, that is pretty much it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button up there and make sure you follow me all over the end of @Sammy's Live. See ya, peace, bye, and I'm gonna go play some Fortnite. Okay, bye. Bye guys, subscribe.